or we are going to approximate by the polynomial to these functions, right? We are going to approximate, but I told you the analyticity means it is solid. Solid means you are going to extend it from a particular point. So, but the point is not given from where you are going to extend. So, if it is problem, I can write from 0, or people say around 0, both are same, meaning we are going to extend our analytic function, our solid, from the 0, right. What we will do, that we will keep on stretching it out, right, up to see its first singularity where the function have the problem. Let us see the first one. Fz is equal to iota, this is an entire function. So, function do not have any problem whole in C. So, if I keep on stretching from the 0, there will not be any problem to the function. So, the radius of convergence for this will be the infinity. Is it clear for everyone? Meaning the approximation and the value of function will agree everywhere. Here to write the approximation for iota, it is not good idea. Why not good idea? Because it is already very simple. Usually we used to write approximation of some complicated function. What do you mean by the complicated function? Meaning that we are not able to calculate its value, we are not able to see directly how many zeros are there, right, and these things. Okay. Next one is the polynomial. Polynomial is also analytic everywhere, we discussed it, no problem. Why? The necessary condition and the continuity, first order partial derivative everywhere. So, if I want to extend the polynomial I said it is a solid, if I want to extend it from the 0, there will not be any problem. It meaning that the approximation of the polynomial, power series approximation and the polynomial will agree everywhere. Therefore, the radius of convergence will be infinity. Hope, I believe that it is clear for everyone. Next one, 1 upon z minus 2. The careful, this is a function. If I start extending from 0, you tell me once you start extending this solid, there will be a point 2 on the real axis. It will say, hey, stop. At point 2, the power series approximation and this function will not agree. That is the singularity of the function of this function is 2. So, you cannot extend more than 2. So, the radius of convergence will be 2. Also notice that this function have problem at z is equal to 2. We started extending from 0, so the distance came out this 2, right. But if you want to extend from, if we want to extend from point z is equal to 1, then after one length the singularity will come or the problem will come. So, if I am looking around 0 or from 0, then the radius of convergence is 2. If I want to extend this function from z is equal to 1, then the radius of convergence will be 1. So, it is depends from where you are stretching your solid. If you want to extend this from z is equal to 10, then 10 minus 2, the radius of convergence will be the 8, right. From 10, then radius of convergence will be 8. From you, okay, start stretching from 10, then 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, that stop. Anyway, so hope it is very simple. Another one, fz is equal to sin z. Hey, sin z is analytic everywhere. If you want to extend from 0 or from any other point, the power series approximation and this approximation will agree. So, this is also radius of convergence is infinity. Exponential function also this will be infinity. Okay, my dear friends, so now we have three options 1, 2, 3. The first one x square plus iota y square. So, I told you throughout this complex analysis we are using the term analyticity, means the solid. See, this function is not analytic anywhere. It does not mean the function have singularity, never. The mind it, you can have a cavity in your teeth if you have teeth first, right? Without teeth we can't have the cavity at all. So, this is the very important. So, singularity is possible if function is analytic. If function is not analytic, then singularity not possible. Okay. So, this function is nowhere analytic, it does not have any singularity, it is not solid anywhere. So, you cannot extend it also in the form of the solid. Hey, so the radius of convergence nothing. I hope these are the very basic I told you. See, we have gone through these things, but everyone have some intuition. In this lockdown, I am here 3 or 4 months without any book, any notes, anything. But once you have nothing, then you will start thinking from your mind. So, this is my request, the whole NGO team is towards you. They are requesting you, you also start writing your question, and then the answer also will come naturally. If you are taking the question from somebody, like in other coachings, they will write question, they will give you answer, you are happy, he happy, me happy, everyone happy, but it won't work. So, don't be a beggar, do not take the question, but take this the way I am thinking, you also can do that. You can see such example, such explanation you cannot find in the book. Why? Because this intuition. So, definitely if I can think this way, now you have this idea also and you can give better theory, right. Okay, so good luck. Now, the fz is equal to mod z square. Again, this is not analytic anywhere, we have seen it properly, because there does not exist even a single disk in which the function is differentiable. The function was differentiable at z is equal to 0 only. So, this function is not analytic anywhere, this function is not solid anywhere. This implies that we cannot make it solid. We can make it solid if it is solid, and if there is some cavity we can fill it. The example I gave you, if you have a teeth, then you can have a cavity, and if you have a cavity I can refill it. So, the process of refilling the cavity is known as the residue in the complex analysis. But hey, it is not solid anywhere, so we can't. Okay, so there are many questions people are asking, definitely we will look at it, but believe me, let us see. So, no radius of convergence, I mean what you can say, hey, 0, nothing. This infinity, this is again a real valued function, and we have seen that the argument function. What can you say about this? This is not solid anywhere, so nothing. You can say the 0.